Fifth grade into math, lesson 14.6. Use strategies and reasoning to add and subtract. I can add and subtract decimals by using reasoning and strategies involving addition properties or friendly numbers. Step it out. Kyle finds two games that he wants to buy. What amount does Kyle pay for the two games? By friendly numbers, add 3 cents to the price of dark embers. Subtract 3 cents from the price of golden dice. What are the new prices? So the two games, right? Okay. So basically, in order to get dark embers to the nearest dollar, we have to add what? 3 cents, right? And then this would become $16. And then if we took 3 cents from that we added to the dark ember, this would be what? 44 cents. Yeah, because you added that 3 cents to the top one, so we're taking the 3 cents away from the bottom one, right? Okay. So we put our new prices there, right? Okay. We showed that there. What is the cost for both games? So what is $13 plus $16? $20 and then 44 cents. So is this the same as $15.97 plus $14.97? So yes. Because we added 3 cents and took away 3 cents. So basically they did what by moving them to different places? They just cancel each other out, right? Okay, so letter B, how much more does dark amber cost than golden spike? Find friendly numbers, subtract 47 cents from the price of each game. What are the new prices? Okay, so basically our $15.97, if we subtract 47 cents, that would be what? Bless you. $15.50, right? Okay. And then if we subtracted 47 cents, this would be $13. So what is the difference? So $15.50 minus $13 dollars is what? $2.50. Okay, so is this the same price? So yes. Because both amounts, could they both have the 47 cents subtracted from it? Yes, so it worked out. So yes, because both amounts could have 47 cents subtracted from them. Step it out. Kyle wants to buy 3 accessories for his club gaming system. He writes 32 and 7,500 plus 11 and 9,800 plus 24 and 2,500. Find the total cost. Kyle notices that 7,500 plus 2,500 from the first and third add-ins or have a sum of 1. He uses the commutative property of addition and the associative property of addition to regroup the add-ins to add them first. Okay, so rewrite the sum as an expression with 2 add-ins. So basically, what he did first was he added this 3275 plus 2425. So basically, if we add this together and this together, that gets us what, guys? 1, right? So 32 plus 1 is 33 plus 24 is what? 57. So then we would have 57 plus 1198 or 11 and 98 hundredths. So what is the cost of all three accessories? So what is 57 plus 11? $68.98. Check understanding. Use the table above to write and solve an equation to find how much more a headset costs than a racing wheel. How much, or how can you use friendly numbers to help you? So the head or the racing set is what? Okay, so racing wheel is 1198, and then the headset is 24.25, right? Okay, so basically what would be easier to do? We can make this go up to what? $12. And if we make it go up to $12, we went up 2 cents, right? So if we made that go up 2 cents, we need to make this go. We're subtracting this time. So can you make it go down 2 cents, or would you go up 2 cents, right? If you're subtracting, you need to go make them both go up. If you're adding, you need to make one go up and one go down. Okay, so this would become 24.27 minus, you said $12, right? Okay, so we're left with $12.27. And then we kind of talked about that, right? Add or subtract, explain what strategy you used. Okay, so for this next one, are there a couple that we could put together? Okay, which two can we put together? So basically, we need to rewrite our order, right? So which two are we going to put together? So we're going to use associative property, right? Okay, so what are we going to put together? Okay, so we're going to do 2786 plus 12.14 plus 31.44, right? Okay, and then we need to use the commutative property and do what? Actually, sorry, we just did the commutative property right here. Associative is when they're not in a specific order but have the parentheses. Okay, so which ones are we putting together? These two, right? Okay, and then what are we going to do? Because 86 plus 14 gets us what? 1, right? So 27 plus 12 is 39 plus 1 is 40. So then now we have 40 plus 31.44, which equals 71.44. All right, so we are subtracting. So what can we do? We can make 79 and 32 hundredths what? 79 and 30 hundredths minus, and so I said we're subtracting. So if I subtracted 2 from the one, I would have to subtract 2 from the other. So 42 and, oh, not 5, 3, right? So what does that get me? What's 79 minus 42? 37 and 2700. On your own, number 4, reason. At the department store, Miss Jarvis finds 2 winter coats that she likes. What is the cost to buy both coats? Explain your reasoning. So we're gonna make the $48.98 to what? Okay, so $49. And then, since I went up 2 on that and we're adding, I have to go down 2 on the other. So plus $34.54. So what is 34 plus 49? 83. So $83.54. And then of course we said that since we went up 2 on the other one, we had to go down 2 since we were adding, right? Okay, number 5. Critique reasoning. Ina claims she can find 58 and 42 hundredths minus 16 and 95 hundredths by solving the equation as 58 and 47 hundredths minus 17. Is she correct? So yes or no? So what did we talk about? Subtraction, you have to either go up the same amount on both, or you have to go down the same amount. Did she go up the same amount on both? Yes. So yes, because she went up by 500 on both, right? Add or subtract. So 37 and 41 hundredths minus 29 and 800. Okay, so what can we do? Well, so we kind of want to change this, right? Okay, so we could do this as 37 and 40 hundredths minus. So I went down by 1. So if I went down on 1, I have to go down on another, right? Now, I could do that, or what would be easier here? Well, I could go down and make this, what, 29, right? And have nothing there. And then I can make this 37 and then still go down 800. So what's 41 hundredths minus 800? Okay, and then so 3,300, right? Okay, so what is 37 minus 29? 8, right? Okay, and then we still have our 3,300, correct? Okay, so you can do those a couple different ways, right? Okay, that's just how we chose to do ours. Next one, 437 and 60 hundredths minus 321 and 75 hundredths. Well, remember, if you do something to one, you have to do it to the other, so you can't just keep it the same, right? So can we add 25 hundredths to this one and make it what? 322, okay? And then if we added 25 hundredths there, we'd have to do 437 and 85 hundredths here, right? Okay, so what is 437 minus 322? 115 and 8,500. Okay, next one. We are going, we need to add all 3 of those together. Is there a couple that could kind of go together? Yeah. Okay, which one? 138 and 62 hundredths plus what? 319 and 38 hundredths, because this right here gets us what? 1. Okay, so what could that be?